English expressions. 6. Pat on the back, praise. Zip your lip, keep quiet. Poke fun at, make fun of. Play it by ear, improvise. Mouth-watering, delicious. Sit tight, wait patiently. Red herring, a distraction. Draw the line, set a limit. Up in arms, upset or angry. Put a sock in it, be quiet. A piece of cake, very easy. Ring a bell, sounds familiar. Throw in the towel, give up. Stir the pot, cause trouble. Rock the boat, cause trouble. Shoot for the stars, aim high. Cry wolf, raise a false alarm. Run out of steam, lose energy. Out of the blue, unexpectedly. Save face, avoid embarrassment. Under the weather, feeling ill. On cloud 9, extremely happy. On the same page, in agreement. Over the moon, extremely happy. Shot in the dark, a wild guess. Rain check, postpone something. Have a blast, have a great time. Red tape, excessive bureaucracy. Write off, dismiss or disregard. Work like a dog, work very hard. Out of the woods, out of danger. Mum's the word, keep it a secret. Play the field, date many people. Spill the beans, reveal a secret. Once in a blue moon, very rarely. Waving the white flag, surrender. Pull a fast one, deceive someone. On the ball, alert and competent. Walk on air, feel extremely happy. Spitting image, an exact likeness. Pull yourself together, calm down. Mad as a hatter, completely crazy. Sail close to the wind, take risks. Scared stiff, extremely frightened. Scared stiff, extremely frightened. Make ends meet, manage financially. Miss the boat, miss an opportunity. Out on a limb, in a risky position. Cut the mustard, meet expectations. All in all, considering everything. Pay through the nose, pay too much. Time flies, time passes quickly. Miss the mark, fail to achieve a goal or target. On thin ice, in a risky or dangerous situation. Under your nose, clearly visible but unnoticed. Weather the storm, survive a difficult situation. Turn a deaf ear, ignore someone's request or problem. Wild goose chase, a hopeless or futile pursuit. With flying colors, with great success or distinction. Walking on thin ice, being in a risky or dangerous situation. Waste not, want not, don't waste and you won't lack. Rain on someone's parade, spoil someone's plans or mood. Your heart is in the right place, you have good intentions. Throw caution to the wind, act recklessly or take a risk. Hit the nail on the head, do or say exactly the right thing. The tip of the iceberg, a small part of a much larger problem. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone, solve 2 problems at once. Like a fish out of water, uncomfortable in a particular situation. Put your money where your mouth is. Back up your words with action. The ball is in your court. It's your turn to make a decision or take action. You can't have your cake and eat it too. You can't have it both ways. Wake up call. A shocking event that brings attention to a problem. When the chips are down, during a challenging or difficult time. Burning the candle at both ends. Overworking or exhausting yourself. Every cloud has a silver lining. There's a positive side to every bad situation. In the heat of the moment, acting without thinking during an emotional situation.